Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Android chargers is probably one of the most overlooked accessories for your phone, but choosing the right one can significantly impact your device's charging speed and battery health. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Android phone chargers, exploring different types, from the classic USB-A to the latest USB-C and wireless charging options, helping you make an informed decision and keep your phone powered up efficiently. Number 5. Aioneus Micro USB Cable 3-Pack. This micro USB cable is compatible with a wide range of devices. It works with Samsung Galaxy, LG, PS4, Kindle, and many more. You can easily charge and sync your devices with this cable. The cable supports rapid charging at up to 2.4A. It also offers high-speed data transfer up to 480 megabits/s. This helps you to work efficiently. This pack includes 3 6-foot charging cables. This is perfect for use at home, in the office, or while traveling. It meets your daily charging needs. The cable is covered with a premium nylon braided exterior. It has pure copper wires inside, ensuring durability and flexibility. This design makes it long-lasting. You'll receive a 3-pack of 6-foot micro USB cables in different colors. It also comes with an 18-month free service. If you have any questions, they will resolve your issue within 24 hours. What we like. This charger comes in a convenient 3-pack, perfect for keeping one at home, in the office, and in your car. Its durable nylon braided exterior ensures it can withstand daily wear and tear. If you're always on the go and need multiple charging solutions, this is a great choice. You'll never have to worry about being caught with a dead battery again. What people say. They charge just as fast as the original cable that came with phone. They were long enough for even my farthest outlet to reach, and they are very sturdy. They are long, durable, and fast charging, making them a techie's must-have. The 6-foot length is perfect for charging my devices while still being able to use them comfortably. The braided design seems very durable and I don't have to worry about it fraying or breaking like my previous cables. These charging cords are fast and efficient, providing a quick charge for my Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge and Kindle. Number 4. Samsung Type-C Fast Charging Kit. This is a fast charging kit designed for your Samsung Galaxy devices. It supports AFC fast charging, so you can quickly power up your phone. It is compatible with a wide range of Samsung Galaxy phones and tablets with Type-C ports. This includes the latest S series, Note series, and more. The charger has intelligent circuit design to protect your device. It prevents short circuits, overheating, overcurrent, and overcharging, ensuring safe usage. With Quick Charge 3.0, it can charge your phone up to 50% in just 30 minutes. This is much faster than standard chargers, saving you valuable time. The kit includes a 10-foot Type-C cable for convenient charging and syncing. It offers super speed transfer for both charging and data transfer. You'll receive 2 fast wall chargers and 2 10-foot Type-C charging cords. If you have any quality issues, please feel free to contact us. What we like. This charger offers fast charging capabilities, getting your phone powered up quickly. The included 10-foot cable provides flexibility and convenience, allowing you to charge from a distance. If you need a fast and reliable charging solution with a long cable, this is the one for you. This will make sure that you can use your phone while charging. What people say. They charge the phone quickly without overheating, and the cable is durable and doesn't get damaged easily. The connection is firm, it doesn't come loose, and they're compatible with different phone models. This 2-pack has been perfect and has held up for over 7 months now. Very fast charger and small. Can actually put it in your pocket. Number 3. Android Fast Charger for Samsung Galaxy. This fast charger is designed for Samsung phones. It provides quick charging, getting your phone powered up in no time. It's a convenient solution for your charging needs. The charger works with a wide range of Samsung Galaxy models. It supports various phones, ensuring you can use it with many devices. It's a versatile choice for your charging needs. This charger has built-in safety features to protect your phone. It prevents overcharging and short circuits, keeping your device safe. You can charge your phone with peace of mind. With Quick Charge 3.0, it charges your phone faster. It can charge up to 50% in just 30 minutes. This feature saves you time and keeps you connected. The package includes a long 6.6 feet Type-C charging cable. This allows you to charge your phone comfortably from a distance. It offers flexibility and convenience. You'll receive 2 fast wall chargers and 2 Type-C charging cords. If you encounter any issues, please contact us. We are here to help. What we like. This charger also offers fast charging, so you can quickly power up your device. The 6.6-foot cable gives you extra reach. If you prioritize speed and convenience, this charger is a great option. It's perfect for those who want a reliable and efficient charging experience. What people say. They charge the phone quickly without overheating, and the cable is durable and doesn't get damaged easily. The connection is firm, it doesn't come loose, and they're compatible with different phone models. This 2-pack has been perfect and has held up for over 7 months now. I use one nightly and the other I carefully keep packed the way it came for trips, and keep wrapping it back up the same way when not in use. Cord is very thick and durable. Very fast charger and small. Can actually put it in your pocket. Number 2. 4-pack 6 feet, USB-C to USB-A cable. This USB-C cable is designed to work with a wide range of devices. It is compatible with many Android phones, tablets, and other USB-C devices. It offers a reliable charging solution for your everyday needs. This cable is USB-A to USB-C, designed for charging devices with a USB-C port. Please note that it is not compatible with devices using a Lightning or micro USB port. Make sure your device has a USB-C port before use. Experience faster charging with this upgraded cable. It supports up to 3/8 charging and data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second. It provides a quick and efficient charging experience. Enjoy the flexibility of a 6-foot cable. This length is perfect for various situations, such as charging in the car or from a distance. It offers convenience and ease of use. You'll receive a 4-pack of USB Type-C to USB-A cables in different colors. It also includes a 1-year warranty and 24/7 customer service. It is a complete package for your charging needs. What we like. This charger is designed for fast charging and comes with multiple cables, so you'll always have one handy. The 6-foot length provides flexibility, and the multiple cables are perfect for sharing with family or friends. If you need a reliable and convenient charging solution for multiple devices, consider this one. It will make your life easier. What people say. Solid build and pretty good length. I would recommend. These are pretty, sturdy enough and always do their job. I've noticed they charge quite quickly. Exactly as described works great. Good quality. Number 1. FiveBox Micro USB Charger Cable 5-pack. Looking for a reliable charger? This micro USB cable is compatible with most old Android phones and devices. It provides fast charging and ensures your devices are always ready to go. This cable is built with high-quality copper wire. It maximizes signal quality and guarantees safe charging. You can enjoy rapid charging and quick data sync up to 480 megabits per second. The sturdy nylon braided cable can withstand over 6,000 bends. The durable woven fabric body and reinforced stress points ensure it lasts. You don't have to worry about tangles. With 6 feet cables, it fits your variety of daily use. Use it at home, in the office, or in your car. Different colors are offered to you. You'll receive a 5-pack of 6-foot micro USB chargers and a 3-year warranty. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll resolve it within 24 hours. Get yours today. What we like. This charger comes in a 5-pack, providing multiple charging solutions for various devices. The durable design ensures longevity, and the wide compatibility makes it suitable for older Android phones. If you have multiple devices or need a reliable charging solution for older phones, this is a great choice. It will keep all your devices charged. What people say. They are well made, they are very sturdy and absolutely feel like they will last a very long time, even with constant daily use. They are 6 foot long and for me, that would be the only complaint I have. because I am actually always close to where they are plugged in, but my daughter, son, and boyfriend all really like the fact that they are long cords, so my only con isn't really a con. I've had these since June and they still work perfect, and unlike other that slip out of the phone, these have a great connection. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.